be too rainy for us at all. We might get a little bit of rain or a little bit of snow, but it starts to turn into a snow mix after sunset, and then we can see this system starts to push up and bring more snow into Michigan. So, like places that could get snow tonight or early tomorrow morning would be like Monroe or Detroit. As we take a look at this system still stays here. This could be dumping like a lot of snow. We have a little bit of lake effect snow up in the UP, and we also do have a little bit of a lake effect snow towards Traverse City and Gaylord. The lake effect snow starts to kind of expand and get gradually like worse as the day goes on. This is afternoon. So we can see there's just a couple of snow showers. We have lake effect snow up here, just a couple of snow showers here and there. But what we're looking at is Friday. So this is Thanksgiving night. We can see the lake effect snow really starts to pump up in northern Michigan. And we can see some lake effect snow right here. Now here's where it starts to get a little tricky. We can see some heavier snow start to come in here. And we also have some rain and snow mix up here. And then we have lake effect snow kind of spreading all around this area and most of up north. That could produce some slippery roadways and up to 5 inches of snow. And then we have some lake effect snow starting in Grand Rapids and like Kalamazoo area. That should not be like too bad. But we have to watch the roads for that. And then as we go into like Friday morning, we can see this lake effect snow start to kind of push in towards East Michigan. And this is like still the morning of Friday, and we can see some heavier spots of snow start to move in to our area. And then we can also see the lake effect snow starts to kind of deteriorate and go south, while we do have this big system still up here. This is Friday night. We can see the snow starting to deteriorate. This might actually change. And then we still have a little bit of snow here late Friday night. And this is Saturday morning. We still have our big snow up there, lake effect snow. And we're just gonna keep going by, and then you can see it starts to get heavy and dump a lot of snow right here. This is what we're watching right here. This has a chance of coming up here, but it's not yet certain when it will come or if it will come. So we're kind of looking at that. It's still snowing up here. And then we're going to go all the way until our next snowstorm comes, which will be on Wednesday. So let's just go down to here. Let's go to Tuesday. Okay, this is Tuesday morning. We see some lake effect snow showers kind of everywhere and like spotting everywhere. Now this is where it gets nice. We might have a couple of snow days here in the state of Michigan. Let's take it back here. So this is Tuesday night. This is like 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock at night. Now this is Wednesday morning. You can see we have a little bit of rain right here, and we have a lake effect snow. And then we start to get this big band of snow starting to come in, which could produce like 10 inches of snow in some areas. We also do have a little bit of freezing rain up here, so we'll keep an eye on that. And then we have another kind of system that kind of comes down from here, and it's going to impact your Thursday forecast. Now this is Wednesday morning. This is still Wednesday morning. And we see our second winter storm in one day coming down, and it's going to produce some snow and some rain. And then I'd say right in the middle of the day or late or like evening, late day, evening, we're going to get a dumping of snow. Like this is going to be really heavy for Southeast Michigan, and this might actually get heavier as it moves out of our area. And I'd say by Thursday morning, we're still having lake effect snow showers in this area. So I'd say if you are in Lansing, if you're in Howell, if you're in Ann Arbor, if you're in Pontiac, Detroit, Monroe, Saginaw, I'd say anywhere in this general area, you're going to get at least 5 inches of snow from this snowstorm. Models might not say 5 inches, but that's what we're anticipating. And let's get down all the way to here. It looks like we have our next big winter storm. So this is Thursday, the 5th. This is the day after the Wednesday snowstorm. And it looks like we're going to get another snowstorm possible. Let's see what these models say. It looks like this snowstorm will be coming in. This is a fourth snowstorm in 1 week. And we can see that it's going to be like 4 hours of snow at least. All right. And then I think this might become a winter storm. So let's skip to here to see. And then we have another winter storm coming on the 7th, which is a Saturday. Shouldn't be that much snow though. So let's go back to our first snowstorm. Let's go back to Thursday. Let's go to Thursday morning. This is when most of the snow moves out. Let's go to where there's like no snow. All right, let's check our snow and see. All right, so this model anticipates like we have 29 inches of snows up here. We have 30 inches of snow possible up here. Like 11 to 12 a foot of snow on this area. Then we have some lake effect snow up here, 5 inches of snow possible. But it really gets worse as you go down. Like we could have spots of 10 inches of snow from this first winter storm generally. Now we're going to skip. Let's go to the Kärcher model. This model anticipates the same thing. We are going to get like 5 inches of snow in my area. They're going to get 40 inches of snow up north. And they're going to get like a foot right here. So we probably will have some winter storm warnings, possibly some blizzard warnings, especially right in this area. Maybe some winter weather advisories or winter storm watches. And then we anticipate winter storm warnings, and I think this area will be a blizzard warning. So let's look at our freezing rain and see if we're going to get any freezing rain from this one snowstorm. It looks like we're all good, but we're going to skip to after the second snowstorm. We're anticipating up to 30 inches of snow up north, a foot of snow right on the lake shore, and then we're anticipating like at least 5 inches of snow in this area. And then our secondary model, we're anticipating up to 50 inches of snow in this kind of area, a foot of snow right along this area, with possible blizzard conditions, and then we have 5 inches of snow in this general area. We don't have any freezing rain in this area, but we're going to skip to our third and final winter storm. And we can see this is going to dump a good 7 inches of snow, or it's going to dump a good 2 inches of snow and in this area. And then we can see up north, we might have even 40 inches of snow on the ground, which is actually a lot because that's almost 4 feet. I don't think we're going to have that much snow, but it is possible. So we're going to go back to our Thanksgiving system. We're going to go to December 2nd. This is when like our first snowstorm comes. We have about 1 inch of snow tomorrow up north, upwards of 27 to 30 inches possible. We have places of 5 inches of snow. I'd say generally in southeast Michigan, you shouldn't get more than 1 inch. Okay, heavier places like Howell or Lenawee County or Livingston counties, we are going to have possibly some delays with this system. But I think generally, once we get into let's see when all this snow comes. So we're looking, this is the 3rd, okay? And we can see the snow starts to kind of widespread. And it looks like Tuesday, it's mainly the same. So we're going to go to the 5th, when our big snowstorm's supposed to come. We can see that we're going to get like 3 to 4, maybe even 5 inches of snow in the matter of 2 days. So let's just kind of You can kind of see where it kind of starts to go up. Up north, it says 18.7 in Gaylord. And we got 19 inches of snow up north. And then as we go, we can start to see the snow starting to increase quite a bit, actually. So this is our first winter storm. And we're going to go, this is about our second winter storm right here. And then possibly we can have another third winter storm right about here. We start to see quite a bit of snow ranking up in our area, which we may have a winter storm coming. But as of right now, next week, starting Sunday, we might have upwards of 20 inches of snow in just 1 week in some spots, which is actually pretty severe for our area, because there are going to be delays, people not working. We could have power outages, and we might have a third and final winter storm starting to go into southeast Michigan. And yeah, it could happen. Again, it's not likely. It might not happen at this point because the forecast is so far ahead. So it might not be 100% accurate. But right now, we might even see somewhere parts of Livingston County might actually see up to 8 inches of snow from our third winter storm. And then we're going to go we'll go to here. This is the 13th. Friday the 13th, probably like the middle of the day, we can see like upwards of 7 inches of snow from that snowstorm. It looks like we're going to get that 7 inches of snow from our December 6th storm, where we can already see 5 inches of snow in Livingston and Oakland counties. And as we move into the 6th, we can go like literally in the matter of 6 hours, we can get up to 7, maybe 8 inches of snow in most of Livingston County and parts of Oakland County. And this is severe because we can see up north upwards of 40 inches of snow. I do have a cabin up north. We actually are going to get more snow than them somehow. I don't know how, but yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe for any questions. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. If you guys have any more questions about the winter storm, please reply in the comments. And make sure you give that thumbs up, like. Bye.